Oh, hi. I want to talk about Prophet Jeremiah and a very dark man. Yes, I want to choke my mouth inside the matter. Because as they go for this matter, you know that very dark man is an unbeliever. And an unbeliever cannot understand this. Yes, that is the truth. And this truth, nobody will tell you this truth. Yeah, it can water. God knows that water that Jeremiah is saying to heal people. Yes, God can do that. God has done a lot of things, you know. And this water thing and the healing, it didn't start from Prophet Jeremiah. And God has been using it. A lot of people that even in your home, if you pray for someone and use water and just lay hands on top of that water, God can heal someone. If God has instructed you to do so, that's what I want to tell very dark man. Then another thing I want to tell very dark man, you may not understand this because spiritually you are blind. Yes, you are blind spiritually. And also, some of these things work also with your faith. I can back them up with Bible verses.
Those of you saying now because of
doesn't
faith,
mean
those people were drinking
a lot of people also
work, say,
speak the word of God and it will be recorded.
Anything
and they sell this. Why are they doing this? They are using it to do the work of God.
Do you
understand? To help the ministry. To help to do the work of God. Look at someone like Prophet Jeremiah helped a lot of people in the ministry.
I must carry my twin water.
Where is the money coming from? It's from all those things. It's not by force. There are people that their faith is that once they enter the compound, they are healed. There are people that when they are watching, even Prophet Abe Kobe, they are watching him like this. They are healed. Even our big daddy,
so it is
Pastor,
literally spelled.
our pastor, Pastor Oyedipo, or Prophet
You
Oyedipo. You just believe that when you watch him, you are healed. Another person is Pastor Christ. He's someone that God's used on miracle too. So it doesn't mean, you will not understand it. Very dark man, I'm telling you the truth, you will not understand it. This, I don't do it, but I know it will work. I do it, I don't sell it. Anyway, let me use it like that. I don't sell it, but I know it will work. It has also worked for me. I don't know about you, it's a different belief.
Don't play.
It's a different belief. Just carry Prophet Jeremiah and say he didn't go through NAFDAC, he didn't go through this one. It's just that in these days, people have hated pastors. Pastors has to be careful because this is really the end time. Yes, so I want to speak to people. You're a man of God. You online, watching. A lot eyes are on you. There are false pastors, there are false prophets. We know this. There are true ones that are passing persecution just because of what the false prophets have done. They are passing persecution right now. But I want to encourage you. Don't give up. Continue in what you're doing. God will answer. And this time let me tell you, it's a time of prayer. You notice that a lot of things are happening now. This is a time of tribulation. That time has come. People did not know that it has come. But what I am telling you,